Anchovy, tiny in a line. Silver shadow shimmer, spooky but fine. B is for Beluga Whale, white as snow. Ooh, songs in the deep below. C is for Crab, claws held tight. Click, clack, echoes in the night. D is for Dugong, drifting slow. Ghostly shapes where dark tides flow. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. E is for electric eel, zap, zap bright. Crackling sparks in the blackened night. F is for flatfish, hiding low. Lying where the sea ghosts go. G is for giant squid, arms so long. Whoosh through darkness, deep and strong. H is for hammerhead shark, gliding by. Cutting through mist with a silent eye. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. I is for Isopod, creeping round. Scratchy steps on the ocean ground. J is for jellyfish, floating clear like spooky spirits drifting near. K is for killer whale, bold and bright. E calls in the moonless night. L is for lionfish, fins spread wide. Slow spooky dance with striped pride. Boo, 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 sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. M is for manatee, gentle and slow. Munch as shadows glow. N is for narwhal, magic horn. Ooh, whispers from the deep are born. O is for octopus, clever and sly. Puff of ink as phantoms fly by. P is for prawn, snap, snap sound. Tiny jumps on haunted ground. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. Q is for quahog, shell shut tight. Knock, knock sounds in the eerie night. R is for ray, wings so wide. Gliding through fog on the spooky tide. S is for starfish, 5 arms slow. Spin, spin softly where cold currents go. T is for blue surgeon fish, sharp and blue. Flash of light in the darkened blue. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. U is for unicornfish, horn so neat. Swish, swish fins as shadows meet. V is for Vaquita, small and shy. Peekaboo as bubbles rise. W is for Walrus, tusk so grand. Brr, brr, chills through haunted sand. X is for Xantic Sargo, quick and fast. Flash, flash darts from the spooky past. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. Y is for Yeti Crab, fluffy and strange. Tap, tap claws in a spooky range. Z is for zebra shark, stripes and spots. Wiggle through the haunted knots. Boo, boo, sing with glee. Halloween fun big.